Here we go. We're going to try and put hands together with the standard fingering in E major. What are we going to do? I'm going to start. I'm going to see how this goes. But before we start, I want to remind you.
You gotta plug your nose. Can you plug your nose?
Which note are you supposed to put your ones and twos around like you're plugging somebody's nose? Do you remember? Where's the nose on the piano? Where is it? Where is it? It's the B flat, right? Okay, so we're gonna squeeze that B flat with our first and second fingers, and that's how we keep our place. That's how we learn how these thumb crossings go. Okay. So get ready to plug the nose. Start on E. Okay, so the next two notes we're going to have 4s and 3s with your left hand and 2s and 3s with your right hand. Okay? Oh, these guys. So those are black. Yeah? So this might feel a little weird. It might feel a little weird to be playing like these together. Now, here's where we plug the nose. So get ready. With your left hand, you're already there. Can you squeeze the B flat with your thumb and your second finger? And just play the A and B together. Yeah. Squeeze. With your right hand, this is where your thumb crossing comes. So put your thumb on the A and then plug that nose. Squeeze the B flat. Okay? And while we're squeezing the B flat, okay, we've got alternating fingers on the A and the B, but that's where it goes. If you can master that, you're set. Okay, so let's start at the beginning again. Okay. 5 and your left hand. Oh, you cannot see that. 5 in your left hand. See? 1 in your right hand, okay? Then we do the 2 black notes, okay? When we get to A, you're going to have 2 in your left hand and 1 in your right hand. Okay? They're not the same finger. You've got one thumb and a second finger. Now plug that nose. This is how you make it feel like it's right, okay? Squeeze the B flat. Now, let's move up to B and only play B. So left hand on first finger, right hand on second finger at this point, okay? That's how you do it. We're gonna go back. We're gonna do that again, okay? Ready? 5 and 1. 4 and 2. 3s are both 3s. Yay, 3s feel good. Now at this point, get ready to plug the nose. Sneak your right hand thumb underneath, but let's play A and B together. Ready? Squeeze.
Squeeze that nose. There we go. There we go. Good.
Now, play the B by itself. So now you've done your thumb crossing and you're ready for the next part, which is to cross your third finger over onto the next set of notes that are black. So third fingers get to play together in this scale. It's so satisfying. 3s in both hands playing C sharp. And then we go on D sharp with your 2 in your left hand, 4 in your right hand, okay? And lastly, thumbs get to play together when you get to E. So both thumbs get ready and how was that? That is how you play with both hands together. In this scale, it feels like the two white keys that are next to each other are plugging someone's nose, okay? If you just remember that, it feels right. All right, let's start at the bottom again. When we get to the A and B, instead of playing those separately, I want you to crunch them together, like play the A and the B with both hands, both fingers at the same time. But besides that, we're going to play the scale kind of normal in the rest of the octave, starting at the bottom. Ready? Now crunch. There we go. Now the next part is rolling that 3 over to the C sharp. Thumbs, play E. Good. All right. Let's see if we can keep it going. Roll your 4th finger over onto that F sharp. Okay. 3rd fingers together. Yay. Now right hand thumb sneaks underneath and let's plug the nose. Okay. Then 3rd finger in the left hand moves up to the C sharp. Thumb on E. What do you think? Is this a very silly way to learn how to play scales? Let's keep going. One more octave. Get ready to plug that nose. Okay, sneaking the thumb underneath and playing them both together. Roll 3rd finger over in the left hand. 3, 4, and get your thumb ready for E at the top. There we go. Yeah, that's it. Just plug your nose. And let's go back down. When we're coming back down, 4th finger in the left, 4th finger in the right hand rolls from the E. 4th finger. Now, then it's the left hand's turn to have the thumb first. So the left hand is the one coming down that's going to sneak underneath and plug that nose. Okay? So left hand prepares, B with the left hand, thumb. And then plug that B flat, right? Plug the nose. We're playing A and B flat together. B flat, or B, not B flat, I said B flat. A and B together. Okay? Good. And then 3s together. I promise it will feel really natural once you get it down. Just struggle through it. Okay. So then we have these 2s. And then we have our nose plugged. You might try clustering it. Clustering is a good way to practice this. But cluster for the A and the B, and that will help you to figure out how your fingers go for that thumb crossing. Some of you may love this and say, yes, this is the way I want to learn. Some of you may say, I am so lost. Let's try something else. Tell me in the comments what you think of this idea, plugging your nose around that B flat, putting your thumb and 2nd finger together. Do you like that idea? Does that help to find your fingering? Does it make sense to you? Or do you hate it? I'm fine with either one. I would like to know how you learn.